Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets science and real-life experience. If you've ever struggled to find a cleanser that soothes sensitive skin without stripping it dry, or worse, triggering irritation, then you're going to want to hear this. Because what we're talking about today is something that's been quietly gaining a cult following for good reason. The Roche-Posay Lipikar AP+ Gentle Foaming Cleansing Oil. This is a fragrance-free, soap-free oil cleanser designed for both face and body. It's marketed as suitable for babies, but let me tell you, it's not just for the little ones. With a formula centered around niacinamide and Roche-Posay's proprietary thermal spring water, it promises to deliver gentle cleansing while supporting the skin barrier and locking in hydration for up to 24 hours. And even though it's technically an oil, it transforms into a soft foam on contact with water, ideal for those who like a nourishing cleanse without a greasy residue. Now let's talk about what it's like to actually use this in real life. I tested it over the course of a couple weeks. Morning showers, evening skincare, even as a hand wash when my skin was feeling extra tight. The first thing I noticed? It feels luxurious, yet lightweight. It glides on like a silky oil, but rinses off clean, which is rare. There's no artificial fragrance, which is a blessing if your skin is sensitive or reactive, and it never left me feeling squeaky or dry. It melted away sunscreen from my arms and chest with ease, and worked well as a gentle second cleanse on my face after removing makeup. I also tried it on my legs after shaving, and that's where it really impressed me. No sting, no tightness, just soft, comfortable skin hours later. It's safe enough for babies, but nourishing enough for stressed-out adult skin too. There are definitely some standout positives here. First, the texture. It's unique, rich, but not heavy, and that transformation from oil to foam is smooth and non-messy. Second, the formulation. Niacinamide is a known skin soother and barrier booster, and this cleanser doesn't skimp. It supports hydration without adding weight, which makes it a smart choice for people with eczema-prone or compromised skin. And third, it's extremely gentle. No redness, no burning, no stripping. That said, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. If you're expecting an oil cleanser to remove heavy makeup, this isn't the one-step solution. It's better suited as a second cleanse or body cleanser. And because it's so gentle, those with oilier skin types might find it a bit too mild for deep cleansing. Also, it's unscented, not a con per se. But if you're someone who enjoys a sensory spa-like experience, this one keeps it strictly functional. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Now, price-wise, it's definitely on the higher end for a body cleanser. But here's the thing. When you look at the ingredient list and compare it with what's typically found in mainstream body washes, the quality speaks. You're getting a derm-backed, clinically formulated product with barrier support, and that's not cheap filler. So yes, the price feels justified, especially if you or a family member struggles with dry or sensitive skin and need a reliable daily cleanser that won't cause flare-ups. In comparison to similar products like Bioderma's Atoderm Shower Oil or Eucerin's Skin Calming Body Wash, I'd say this one sits right in the middle. Bioderma has a more luxurious feel, while Eucerin is more budget-friendly. But La Roche-Posay's Lipikar AP+ strikes a perfect balance of clinical credibility and everyday usability. It's more foaming than Bioderma and less greasy than Eucerin, so it might suit a wider range of preferences. Packaging is simple and functional. The pump dispenser is hygienic and dispenses just the right amount. And the bottle itself is sturdy, not overly bulky and easy to store. As for longevity, one pump goes a long way, especially on a loofah or cleansing mitt, so this 400-gram bottle will definitely last. I haven't had any direct dealings with La Roche-Posay's customer service, but the brand overall has a solid reputation in the dermatological community and among consumers alike. They're widely trusted, and most retailers that stock them have easy return policies if needed. To wrap it up, this cleansing oil is a great example of when a product delivers exactly what it claims, without overhyping itself. It's ideal for those with dry, sensitive, or eczema-prone skin. It works for babies, kids, and adults, and it respects the skin barrier, which should be a top priority for anyone dealing with irritation or dehydration. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did it work for you? Was it a hit for the whole family? Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the purchase link in the description or comments. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.